Let us see one more TET question. The value of xy for 5x plus y equal to 21 and 5x minus y equal to 9 is. So we need to solve these equations and find out the values of x and y and substitute here to get the answer. So they have given that 5x plus y equal to 21, 5x minus y equal to 9. Add these two equations. This will get cancelled and this will be 10x equal to 30, x equal to 3. If x equal to 3, then what is y? 5 into 3 plus y equal to 21. Y is nothing but 21 minus 15, which is 6. What is xy? 6 into 3, which is 18. This is the answer. This is the other TET question. We need to find out the value of this equation. 6 plus, what is 3 by 10? 0.3. What is 5 by 1000? 0.005. What is 54 by 10,000? 0.0054. We need to find the sum of these numbers. Very easy. 6, 0.3, 0.005, 0.0054, 4, 10, 1, 3, 6. So answer is this 6.3104.